was the morning of the May celebrations. Your heart collapsed and you took its weary arms up to the rocky peak. Oh no, don't look for me, I'm gone. As the crown of the summer's new love and search for her mother, I caught your silhouette for